Good morning, children. Once again, I am before you with video number 33 heating effects of an electric current. So, today we will discuss about the heating effect of current, electric bulb, factors affecting production of heat, about an electric fuse, circuit breaker, and magnetic effect of electric current. So, let us see about heating effects of electric current. In the 19th century, an English scientist called James Prescott Joule, right from 1818 to year 1889, studied a property which says that when an electric current flows through the filament of a bulb, it generates heat, and so the bulb becomes hot. This property is named as heating effects of electric current. In other words, we can say that when an electric current flows through a conducting wire, its temperature increases. Just see here, this is an what? This is an electric bulb. When we see the bulb, what we can see here, just on the top, what I can see here is a lead terminal, this one. Then aluminum cap is there, inside it glass, and then inside it we can see the tungsten filament is here, that is not visible here in this case. So this is an electric bulb. The filament of a bulb is made of tungsten. Tungsten has very high melting point, and that is the reason it is used in electric bulb. Why tungsten is used in electric bulb? Because it has a very high melting point, and that is the reason it is used in electric bulb. Moreover, argon gas is filled inside the bulb. Why we can see there the argon gas inside the bulb? Because argon prevents the filament from catching fire. When current is passed through the bulb, the filament of the bulb gets heated to such a high temperature that it starts glowing. Factors affecting production of heat. What are the factors affecting the production of heat? Number one, the length and thickness of the wire. Second, the duration of the flow of current. And the third, the material of the wire. Now another one, we can find sometimes in our home, in our day-to-day life, that there is an electric fuse. What is the use of an electric fuse in our home? The electric fuse works on the principle of the heating effect of electric current. And what is an electric fuse? An electric fuse is a safety device. An electric fuse is a safety device to prevent damage to an electrical circuit. When excessive current flows through it, it is made of a special material. It has a rating in amperes printed on the outside. There is a maximum limit of the current that can safely flow through a fuse. If the current increases beyond this limit, the wire in the electric fuse melts and breaks off. For example, if fuse rating is 5 ampere, then a current greater than 5 ampere will blow the fuse. Thus, a fuse can prevent fires and damage to the electrical circuit. Now the question arises, what are the causes of the large current flow? Number one is the short circuit. We can see the many accidents happens even in the shop, in the school, in the offices, in the home. And the second one is the overloading. Just you have seen there that if it can be beyond the limit in every case, in the switchboard, in case of the fan, in case of the refrigerator or the AC, everywhere, that the limit is there. So if it exceeds, that is called overloading. Second, next topic is circuit breaker. A circuit breaker can be used in place of a fuse nowadays. MCB, that is called miniature circuit breaker. It is a circuit breaker. MCB, what is it? It is a circuit breaker. If the current exceeds a certain value, the MCB breaks the circuit. It is just like a fuse to avoid the fire. Second one, we have seen about the heating effect of the current. We can see in case of the room heater. If we can see in the room heater, in case of an electric iron, and many cases the effect of heating effect of an electric current. Another one is the magnetic effects of electric current. Hans Christian Ørsted, right from the year 1977 to 1851, he was the first to show that electric current also produces magnetic effect. He kept a magnetic compass. Near a current carrying conductor. It was observed that when the current was made to pass through the conductor, the magnetic compass was deflected. The deflection occurred every time the battery was switched on, and as the battery was switched off, the compass needle came back to its original position. So what he concluded? He concluded that a magnetic field is proved around a current carrying wire in a circuit. This phenomenon was termed as magnetic effect of electric current. In the next video, we can talk about the electromagnet and an electric bell, that is the magnetic effect of electric current. Now, some assignment questions based upon the video number 33 of chapter number 13. Question number 1, mention the different factors affecting the production of heat. Question number 2, what is an electric fuse? Question number 3, write the function of argon gas in the electric bulb. And question number 4, what is the cause of large current flow? And question number 5, what is the full form of MCB? And write the function of MCB also. So dear children, in this video number 33, we learnt about heating effect of an electric current and the magnetic effect of an electric current. We cannot ignore the electricity in the present context. It is just the part and parcel of our life. So dear children, keep watching the video. Thank you, and learn properly. Stay home and stay fit. Thank you.